Let us see JEE Main 2025 exam questions. Chemistry, Day 1, Shift 1. Question from colligative properties. They are asking about the increasing order of boiling point, and they have mentioned the concentrations of NaCl and urea. We know already the number of particles directly proportional to the boiling point. So here the order is 1 greater than, 2 greater than, 3 greater than 4. So the next question, in NiCl4 minus 2, what is the charge on the metal and the shape of the complex? They are asking for. To calculate oxidation state, x minus 4 is equal to minus 2 Vc. So you get plus 2 as oxidation state, and here Ni undergoes sp3 hybridization, so tetrahedral, right? Next one, easy question from halogens. They are asking for the decreasing order of electronegativity, and we know from top to bottom in a group the electronegativity decreases. So option is 3. Next question is based on isoelectronic ions, which is very important topic. So among the isoelectronic ions, we know the anion has more size when compared with the cation, right? So here among the given isoelectronic ions, F minus has maximum. The next question is based on the IUPAC name, where the long chain contains 6 carbon atoms, and among the given functional groups, the COOH gets the highest priority. So the option is A. In the next question from coordination compounds, they are asking for CFSE, and we need to find out for which complex the delta naught value is 0. So here if we observe the third one, where F minus is a weak ligand, D5 configuration, so T2G occupies 3 electrons, whereas EG occupies 2 electrons, and ultimately we get CFSE as 0. Now let's move on to the next one. CO2 plus C gives rise to 2CO. If the initial pressure of CO2 is 0.6 atmosphere, and after the equilibrium is established, if the total pressure is 0.8 atmosphere, then they are asking us to find the Kp value. Here is the solution. So initial pressure 0.6 minus x, then 2x pressure you will get on the product side. Ultimately 0.6 plus x as a total pressure, thereby we get x value 0.2. And Kp expression 2x whole square divided by 0.6 minus x, the answer is 0.4. In the next question, statement 1, where the given structure undergoes SN1 mechanism is true because whatever the cation is formed, it is stabilized by resonance. And in the second structure, if we consider, definitely it undergoes SN1, it will not undergo SN2 reaction, right? So both are correct. Next one, which of the following is a vitamin? Ascorbic acid, we know it is vitamin C. Quite easy one. The next one, an electron of He plus is present in the third excited state. Find its de Broglie wavelength. Third excited state means n is equal to 4, and we need to use two formulae here. N lambda is equal to 2 pi r and r is equal to 0.529 into n square by z. After the substitution, we get 6.64 angstrom units as the de Broglie wavelength. Next question, which one will show a positive Fehling test? Many times they have asked this question. We know already benzaldehyde does not give Fehling test. Only aliphatic aldehydes gives positive test for Fehling solution. Next one from F block elements, which of the following lanthanide ion has 7 electrons in the outermost shell? If we consider the gadolinium Gd plus 3 and Eu plus 2, both has 7 electrons in the F subshell. Next one is again from the equilibrium chapter. For the given equilibrium, the partial pressure of CO2 they have given as 0.4, and total pressure they mentioned it as 1 atmosphere. That means the partial pressure of ammonia will be 0.6. By substituting in the formula, you get Kp as 0.144 atmospheric cube. Next one, CO2 gas is taken at 1 atmosphere 273 Kelvin. If it is allowed to pass through the 0.1 molar CaOH twice solution, excess amount of CaOH twice is neutralized with the help of 40 ml of 0.1 molar HCl. They are asking us to find the volume of CaOH twice taken initially if the half of the amount of CaOH twice is consumed. For calculating number of moles of CaOH twice consumed, HCl number of millimoles we need to find out. 40 into 0.1, 4 millimoles. So only 2 millimoles of CaOH twice is used. Must be 4 millimoles we have to take initially. So V will be 4 by 0.1, 40 ml. Next one is from thermodynamics. In a closed insulated container, a liquid is stirred with a paddle to increase the temperature. Which of the following is true? As it is an insulated container, Q is equal to 0, no doubt. As some work has done, definitely there is a change in internal energy. So delta E and W can't be 0. Option 2. Next one is based on matching. Column 1, column 2 they have given. So where the electronegativity order is BCNO, cationic size, metallic character and electron affinity and all. Directly they have given the horizontal matchings A1, B2, C3 and D4. Next question. When ethanol is treated with benzene diazonium chloride, it readily forms arenes. Answer is arenes because when benzene diazonium chloride reacts with ethanol acts as a protic solvent and readily the diazonium salt gets protonated. In the next question, when the nitrobenzene undergoes SnHCl reduction, NaNO2 HCl reduction, Cu2Cl2 and Na dry ether, series of reagents they have given. Anyhow, finally we get a biphenyl with the molecular weight 154. Next one is from isomerism chapter. How many different stereoisomers are possible for the given structure? One stereo center is there, so 2 optical isomers we can expect. With different groups, 1 C double bond C exists, so 2 geometrical. Number of linear compounds they are asking for. Repeated model, especially for IIT mains. So we need to check out the central atom hybridizations. There we get 4 linear compounds, I3 minus, NO2 plus, BeCl2, N3 minus. The next question is based on the estimation. In recent times, frequently they are asking the estimations, especially from the organic chemistry. This is Carrier's method. AgCl precipitation 143.5 grams they have given and the organic compound is 180 grams. And they are asking us to calculate the percentage of Cl. We have the direct formula. Just by substitution, we get 19.72 as answer. So practice more problems like this. Here comes the final question. If AlCl3 is electrolyzed for 30 minutes using current of 2 amperes, how much of aluminum will be deposited at cathode? So number of electrons we need to calculate by using the formula Q by F. Q is nothing but IT and F is nothing but Faraday. So 0.0373 number of electrons are involved in the electrolysis. Therefore, number of moles of aluminum will be 0.0126. If those moles are converted to weight, the weight of aluminum that gets deposited during the electrolysis will be nothing but 0.335 grams. It's 335 milligrams, right? Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe to my channel for continuous updates and for continuous question papers. Thank you.